RCS Frost. Trenches. Awfully desolate spot. I'm very much near the front now. We have moved here last Tuesday. It was a long march, and of course done at night. And our present billet is a farm, or the remains of one. It's a large village about 3/4 of a mile from the trenches. More north than we were before, and near the Belgian frontier. It's an awfully desolate spot, constantly under shell fire. This morning I was trying to get some sleep on the grass, when a shell burst in a tree, not 50 yards away, and sent a shower of leaves to the ground. Fortunately, no one was hit. Another burst in the same field 10 minutes away afterwards. Then I thought it was time to shift, so I went into the barn. There are a number of dugouts around, but they're so cold. You might get buried inside, you see. The farm is a vile place, with a lot of stagnant water around, and a lot of German soldiers buried here. The barn where we sleep would be improved if a shell struck the roof and ventilated it in our absence. As the smell inside is bad. It makes it nearly necessary to wear a respirator. The rats seem to object to our company, as they often have a free fight on top of us. Last night was my first experience in the trenches, and we were returned to our billets this morning. The din is simply awful. Just lately, the big guns have been giving enemy beans every night. I'm glad to say we had no casualties, although the rifle fire was heard at times, especially on our left, where the Germans made an attack in the Indian troops. The British fire was simply terrific, all night, and the Germans did not reply very much. It was fine to watch the flashes of our guns at the barracks, although the screaming of the shells overhead at first was scary, to say the least of it.